Welcome back, fellow travelers. If you've ever felt that nervous wait at baggage claim, watching suitcase after suitcase roll past that isn't yours, then this video is for you. Today's topic is how to keep your checked luggage safe. We're covering everything you need to know to protect your belongings, from picking the right suitcase to making sure your bag actually arrives when you do. We all know checking luggage comes with risks: lost bags, stolen items, or damage that makes your suitcase look like it's survived a war zone. But here's the good news: it doesn't have to be that way. By the end of this video, you'll have a set of pro-level tips trusted by frequent flyers and travel experts. If you love practical travel hacks and want to make every trip smoother, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. We post fresh content every day to help you travel smarter. Let's dive in. 1. Pick the right suitcase. Your first line of defense is the luggage itself. Cheap or flimsy bags are more likely to get damaged or delayed. Go for a durable hard-shell suitcase, ideally polycarbonate, with reinforced corners, smooth wheels, and strong zippers. Bonus points if it's water-resistant. Always check reviews before buying. A stylish bag isn't much use if the handle breaks mid-trip. 2. Make your bag easy to spot. A huge reason luggage goes missing is simple: mistaken identity. Black bags all look the same. Choose a bright color, bold design, or personalize yours with ribbons, stickers, or straps. Attach a sturdy luggage tag with your name, phone, and email. Skip your home address for privacy. Snap a quick photo of your bag before flying. You'll thank yourself if you ever need to describe it to airline staff. 3. Use a TSA-approved lock. Regular locks may get cut off during inspections. TSA-approved locks let security open your bag without destroying it, keeping your items safer. Many modern suitcases even come with built-in TSA locks. Look for one that shows if it's been tampered with. 4. Don't pack high-risk items. Some things simply don't belong in checked bags: passports, cash, jewelry, electronics, medications, or fragile valuables. Power banks are also banned in checked luggage. Ask yourself, if this bag got lost, could I manage without it for a few days? If not, keep it in your carry-on.
5.
But label the inside two tags fall off all the time. Place a card with your contact info inside your bag, right on top, so staff can quickly reunite you with it. Include your name, phone, and email, plus your hotel address if you'll be staying long-term. 6. Pack smart to prevent damage. Even the best suitcase can't fix careless packing. Use packing cubes to keep things organized and tight. Seal liquids in plastic bags to avoid leaks. Cushion fragile items with clothing in the middle of your bag. Shoes can double as storage for socks or cables. A tidy bag is not only safer, it also makes inspections easier. 7. Hold on to your baggage claim. Tag that little sticker as proof your bag is yours, and the only way the airline can track it. Stick it on your boarding pass or take a photo for backup. Without it, recovering lost luggage gets much harder. 8. Book direct flights. When possible, most bags go missing during connections. Direct flights reduce handling and the risk of mix-ups. If you must connect, allow at least 90 minutes so your bag can make the transfer. Tight layovers are a recipe for lost luggage. 9. Use luggage trackers. Tech can be a lifesaver. Devices like AirTags, Tiles, or Smart Tags let you track your suitcase through your phone. If your bag ends up in another city, you'll know exactly where it is, much faster than waiting on airline updates. 10. Photograph your packed bag. Take a picture of your suitcase once it's packed, especially if carrying expensive items. Photos, and even receipts, make lost luggage claims stronger and faster. 11. Don't check bags at the last minute. Cutting it close increases the chance your suitcase won't make the flight. Airlines usually require checked bags 45 to 60 minutes before domestic departures and up to 90 minutes for international. Arrive early so your bag travels with you. 12. Consider travel insurance. Airline compensation is limited. If you're carrying valuables, luggage insurance can save you stress. covering replacements, clothing, and even lost items. Some credit cards already include this benefit. Check yours before buying extra coverage. 13. Watch weight limits. Overweight bags face rougher handling and extra fees. Most economy tickets allow 23 Q50s. Use a portable scale at home to avoid surprises. Pack a foldable duffel bag just in case. You can redistribute items or check a second bag if needed. 14. Inspect and clean. After every trip, don't just shove your suitcase in the closet after a trip. Wipe it down, check zippers and wheels, and vacuum the inside. Taking care of your luggage ensures it lasts longer and is ready for your next adventure. Final thoughts. Checking a bag doesn't have to be a gamble. By choosing the right luggage, packing smart, and using simple tools like tags and trackers, you can travel with peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share your own luggage tips or horror stories in the comments, and subscribe for daily travel hacks. Until next time, safe travels and happy packing.